My name is Amy Brand. I'm working on the Harvard Scholarship Indexing Project. The idea for HSIP first came about when I was trying to think of ways to increase compliance with Harvard's open access policies. When faculty members publish something, when something gets accepted for publication, faculty members want to include it right away in their CV or on their websites, or they might be in the middle of a grant application and they have to get the publication listed in their grant bio sketch. And so when a faculty member publishes something or gets something accepted for publication, they have to get this information into multiple systems, and none of these systems talk to one another. None of them are integrated. They're not sharing data, and that's creates a kind of a burden for a faculty member that I'm hoping that through this HSIP project that we can begin to address. The idea of the HSIP tool is that it would be like a very simple interface where all the professor had to do was just say, okay, I'm either going to enter a work identifier or cut and paste a reference and just put it there, and then say that I want this information to be uploaded to all these other systems where the information has to live. One of the ways in which I had imagined it was that you would have, it'd actually be like a little widget, that you just sort of have on your desktop. It's like, okay, drop in citation here, drop in publication here, and they could say, okay, I want this information to also be included in DASH, the open access repository, on my websites in this activity report. And at this stage, because all we did was, this is a big, complicated issue, all we did was write this report, sort of weigh various options that are available to us, make some recommendations. A huge step forward, and what we'd like to do next is do one or two kind of pilot studies with a group of faculty or department that wants to work with us and explore a couple of those different options. If that were to succeed, we'd end up the library having this comprehensive record of scholarship across Harvard, a picture of what faculty are actually publishing and working on.